Good afternoon, 4th and 5th grade online learners. Welcome to Wednesday, December 17th, 2021. Science class with me, Mr. Monzo. On Wednesdays, we just do a brief overview of what you need to do because we have a 2-hour delay, and basically what you're doing is a journal entry today. So what I did was I pulled it up on my screen, and I'm just going to click over to it and talk about 4th grade's website first. And then I'm going to talk about 5th grade's website. And you guys at home, just so you know, you only have 2 journal entries this week, Wednesday and Thursday, because we were not in school on Monday. And yesterday we read from the book. So 2 journal entries for 2 points plus a 10-point quiz. So 4th grade, you guys both had, 4th and 5th grade, both had a website from Duxters. In 4th grade, their website is about solutions and dissolving. So a solution is a specific type of mixture where one substance is dissolved into another. A solution is the same or uniform throughout, which makes a homogeneous mixture. So it says go to here, and it provides a link to learn about mixtures. Now a solution has certain characteristics. It's uniform, homogeneous throughout the mixture. It is stable and doesn't change or settle over time. The solute particles are so small they cannot be separated by filtering. The solvent molecules cannot be distinguished by the naked eye. Maybe you need a microscope. It does not scatter a beam of light. So an example of a solution is salt water, which is a mixture of water and salt. You cannot see the salt, and water will stay in the solution if left alone. And it gives a nice diagram of it. It also goes on to talk about dissolving. A solution is made when one substance of the solute dissolves into the other substance, such as in salt water, where the salt dissolves and makes it into salt water. Solubility, which is hard to pronounce, is a measure of how much the solute can be dissolved into a liter of solvent. Think of the example of water and salt. If you keep pouring salt into water, at some point the water isn't going to be able to dissolve all of the salt. Okay? And then 4th grade, it goes on to talk about what saturation means, concentration, miscible and immiscible, and interesting facts about solutions. Very easy to read website today for Duxters for 4th grade. 5th grade. Duxters talks about physics for kids, pitch and sound acoustics. An important measurement of sound is frequency. This is how fast the sound wave is oscillating. This is different than how fast the waves travel through a medium. Frequency is measured in hertz. The faster the sound wave oscillates, the higher the pitch it will have. Okay, and then it talks about, communicating through talking. The process of making precise sounds for speech is very complex and has many parts of the body working together. So we work a lot of different parts of our body just to make certain voices using our throat and our vocal cords. Acoustics is the study of how sound travels. And there are 2 ways to control acoustics: reverberation, by how things bounce off, and absorption, by how things are absorbed. Goes on talking about the Doppler effect. If you're standing still and a car drives past you, the frequency of the sound will change as the car passes you. That's called the Doppler effect. Guys, I often think of that when I'm walking my dog in the morning. I listen to the sounds behind me, beside me, and in front of me because cars are coming and people are in a hurry to get to work. So I experience the Doppler effect a lot, trying to stay aware, keep my dog away from the road as much as possible. This phenomena was discovered by a man named Christian Doppler in 1842. Okay, so that's the basics of sound. It's a very easy website to read. There's more links at the bottom if you're very interested in this. I became very interested in sound when I invested in some sound equipment for my house from the Bose Corporation, B-O-S-E. They make great devices that give great sound, and they're a little bit expensive, but man, they really have great sound. Check them out if you ever get a chance to buy a product from Bose, B-O-S-E. Okay, 4th and 5th grade, like I said, just a brief video, 2 journal entries this week. 10 points for your quiz, and we will see you tomorrow for a review. Kind of a quick week. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.